Ever wondered if Acorns is actually worth it? After 6 years of using the app for myself, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what I love, what I don't, and whether it's worth trying it if you're just getting started with investing. This video is not sponsored, and I'm going to be brutally honest here. These are 100% my own personal thoughts after using Acorns for over 6 years now. Let's start simple. What actually is Acorns? Acorns is an investing app that automates investing for you. It's designed to make it as easy as possible to get started, even if you know nothing about investing. So how does it actually work? You can set up recurring daily, weekly, or even monthly deposits, which I would highly recommend to really grow your account over time. You can connect your account to turn on roundups, which is basically every time you buy something, Acorns will just round it up to the next dollar and invest the change automatically. You can choose your risk level or portfolio type. They have everything from conservative to aggressive options. And you can even allocate a portion to Bitcoin if you want exposure to crypto. And it's basically all designed to be a set it and forget it. Once you pick your settings, it keeps investing for you automatically. Plus, the app itself is just super user friendly. It's easy to check your balance, change your settings, and see your progression, which I think is perfect for beginners. Now, beyond the core investing features, Acorns also offers some really nice extras that make it a more of an all-in-one financial tool. Free cash back while shopping through the Earn program. They partner with tons of different stores, and I personally made over $240 extras just from shopping at stores I normally would have anyways. They also have a debit card option that connects directly to your Acorns account if you want your spending and investing all in one place. They also offer retirement accounts if you want to save in an IRA, and also have an Acorns early so you can invest for your kids' future. Plus, Acorns automatically rebalances your portfolio and reinvests dividends, making it truly hands-off. And they even include educational tips and articles in the app through the Acorns Grow if you want to learn more about investing over time. Overall, I think it's a complete ecosystem if you want to keep everything simple and just in one app. So let's talk about the biggest reasons why I actually like Acorns. For me, the number one benefit is just how simple it is to set up and use. If you're the kind of person who wants to invest and know they should, but just doesn't know where to start learning about investing, this is perfect. For example, my sister has zero interest in learning about stocks or managing investments, but I got her set up with Acorns so she could automatically invest a few dollars every day. This very small habit can make a huge difference over time, and I even made a video about that recently showing investing just $5 a day can grow to nearly $2.5 million by the time I turn 80. And that's the power of consistent investing. And Acorns makes it really easy to build on that habit. And that's what makes it so beginner friendly. And just to be clear, Acorns is really best if you plan to let it grow for years or even decades, since the market just goes up and down in the short term. But of course, there are some things you should think about before signing up. Now, the main thing I don't love is the monthly fee. It's not crazy high or anything, but plans range anywhere from $3 to $12 a month, depending on what features you want. And to be fair, they do need to make money to keep the app running. But for the people with very small balances, those fees can eat into your returns, especially early on. So it's just something to be aware of going into it. Just so you know, I'm not talking about this in theory. Here's my actual experience and returns. Over the years, I invested a couple of thousands of dollars using Acorns, and in total, I made around $580, which is nearly 11% return. Now, the returns would have been a lot higher, but I did withdraw my money twice, once in 2019, then again in 2021. Overall, it's been a really solid, reliable, and very hands-off way to keep investing over time. So, do I think the Acorns app is worth it for beginners? Honestly, yes. If you want an easy, hands-off way to start investing. It's great for people who just want to set it and forget it, without worrying about picking individual stocks or timing the market. However, on the other hand, if you're an active trader, want to pick stocks yourself, or trade options, this really isn't the app for you. But for most people just getting started, I think this is a fantastic way to build a habit of investing and learn about it throughout the way. If this video was helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content and honest reviews. And if you want to try Acorns for yourself, I'll leave my referral link down below. It gets you some free money when you sign up and also supports this channel at no extra cost to you and helps you to make honest review videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.